Good day children, welcome to your English class. In the previous video you learnt about nouns numbers in which you have to change singular noun to plural noun by adding s or es, changing f or f into ves when the noun ends with consonant and y and the nouns end with vowel and y and all, right? Hope you all remember that children. These are some of the rules that we learnt in the previous video. Now today let's discuss about the exceptions that you have to remember while changing the noun from singular to plural. Okay, now we learned that generally we change a singular noun to plural form by adding s or es. That is a general rule. Okay, but there are some categories which do not fall into that rule, okay, which are entirely different from the rules that we learned. Okay, let's look at that. Now the first one is the nouns that form plurals by adding suffixes other than s or es and so on. We changed a noun into plural by adding s or es, by writing it with ies, likewise, isn't it children? But these are the nouns which do not fall under any of these categories. Okay, for example, child. Child, the plural form is children. We never write it as childs or chills, right? Instead, the plural form is children. For the noun ox, the plural form of ox is oxen. Okay, so these are some exceptional nouns that you have to remember, which are entirely different from the rules that we have learned. The second category is about the nouns that form plural by changing one letter, a single letter or several letters, by changing one letter or more than one letters. Okay, for example, foot. Foot is a singular noun, it means one. Okay, so when we change foot into plural, what we do is we cut out these oo, these double o, and change it into double e. Okay, so plural form of foot is feet, where we change two letters to make it plural. In the same way, we have the noun tooth. Tooth is a singular noun and the plural form is teeth, where we cut out oo and write ee to make it plural, in the same way like how we learnt in foot. Okay, now the next one, woman. Woman, woman is singular, whereas the plural form of woman is women, where we cut this a and write e. Okay, look at the word mouse. Mouse is a singular noun and mice is the plural noun. In the same way, louse, we cut out ou and write I instead. Okay, so the plural form of louse is lice. So these are the words that change in the one or two letters when we write it into plural form. Now the next set is about the nouns that have same singular and plural form, which do not change when we change it into plural form. It would be same for both singular and plural. For example, sheep. The plural form of sheep is sheep itself, there is no change. Then deer, deer itself. Fish, fish itself. But one condition, that is one exception is there. When we talk about variety of fish, we use fishes. That means if we are talking about different types of fish, then we use the plural form as fishes. That's an exceptional, when you see the sentence you will understand that. Then other word is dozen, dozen itself. In the same way, fruit is fruit. Fruit, the plural form is fruit as well as fruits, just like how we write fish. Okay, in the same way, if we are talking about one kind of fruit, then it is fruit itself. But if we are talking about different kinds of fruits, then it is fruits. Okay, different types of fruits, then it is fruits. Example. Now, how do we understand whether it is a singular noun or plural noun. For that we need to read the sentence and understand. Okay. Look at this sentence. The sheep is grazing in the meadow. Here we are talking about one sheep which is grazing in the meadow. That is why here the verb is written as is, not are. If are was written there, then we should have understood it as plural form. Okay, but here because the verb is, it means it is one, which is singular. The sheep is singular here. Whereas in the next sentence, the tiger ate several sheep. Here we are talking about many sheep. How did we understand that? Because the word several is used. Several indicates many. So here it is a plural sheep. Now about the fishes, as I said, fish, the plural form of fish is fish itself. But when we talk about variety of fish, we use the plural form as fishes. Look at this example. We saw many kinds of fishes in the pond. Here we are talking about variety of fish. So we have used the plural form as fishes. Whereas in this sentence, we saw many colorful fish in the aquarium. Here not about different kinds of fish, but different types of fish or different kinds of fish, but here we are talking about the fish, many fish. Okay, so here it is fish itself. The plural form is fish itself. Is that clear, children? So you have to read the sentence and understand. Okay. Now the next category is about the nouns that are used in plural form. These nouns do not have a singular form. It is always treated in plural form itself. Okay, the words are scissors, spectacles, trousers, clothes, shorts. For these words we do not have a singular form. It is always represented in plural form itself. So we take plural verb when these words come in a sentence. Look at the example. Her spectacles are new. Why we have written are here, which is a plural verb? Because the word spectacles are considered as plural. Look at the next sentence. The trousers do not fit you. We do not write does not. Okay. Why? Because it is considered as plural form. So we write do not does not. Okay. The trousers do not fit you. The next sentence. The clothes are bought from Jaipur. Clothes also we consider it as plural. So we take plural verb when we write it in sentence. Is that clear, children? So these are the words. I'll just repeat it once again. Scissors, spectacles, trousers, clothes, shorts. These nouns are considered as plural nouns. Okay, which do not have a singular form. Now the next one is about the nouns which have a singular form only. Okay, these nouns do not have a plural form. These nouns have only singular form. Words are scenery, furniture, information, advice, aircraft. Now scenery we do not have a plural form. Always it is considered as a singular one. Furniture. Furniture is also, the plural form of furniture is furniture itself. We do not write it as furnitures. There were many furnitures. We won't say it as there were many furnitures in the living room. It's a wrong way of saying it. Instead we say there were many furniture in the living room. Okay. So that is why here the furniture was bought from this store. So here we consider it as singular. So hence it takes a singular verb which is was. Then the next one, this information is very valuable for the students. Here also information is considered as a singular noun, so it takes a singular verb. So I'll just repeat once again which are the words that are considered as singular form, which has only singular form. Okay, the nouns which have only singular form, they are scenery, furniture, information, advice, aircraft. Okay. So these are the exceptions that you have to keep in mind while changing from singular to plural. Please learn thoroughly these exceptions. It is very, very important. Okay. Hope you understood the topic, children. You can just to have a glimpse of the topic that you have learned, you can refer page number 28 box. Let's revise. Here they have given everything at a glance itself. You can just understand the topic. Okay, all the exercises would be discussed in your Google session. If there is any doubt, please ask your teacher. Okay, please learn the exceptions thoroughly. Okay, children, thank you.